friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Origin PC, EON16-S, EON17-X, NS-16 and NS-17 gaming laptops. So friend, Origin PC has launched their latest 40 series laptops, and on the gaming side, the EON16-S and EON17-X push laptop gaming to new heights, and for creators and professionals, the NS-16 and NS-17 offer desktop-like performance on a workstation they can bring anywhere, and featuring the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series mobile graphics card, you can experience firsthand what the next generation of technology holds through a customization Origin PC. And friend, compared to its processor, the new EON17X is 13% lighter and 42% thinner, and in spite of its thin 0.98-inch form factor, accept nothing less than record-breaking strength from the updated system. And friend, it can be customized with up to flagship NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card, as well as powerful Intel Core i9-3900HX processor, and both laptops offer 17.3-inch display with the option to choose from either a 240 Hz QHD display or 144 Hz UHD display based on personal preference and needs. And friend, the EON17X and NS-17 features Intel Core i9-3900HX processor and 24-core processor, up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 16GB graphics card tuned for max total GPU power of up to 175 watt. And friends, up to 24TB storage, up to 64GB DDR5 memory, Wi-Fi 6 capability, support for up to 4 additional displays, original PC lifetime 24/7 US-based support. And friend, the I/O port include two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, two Thunderbolt 4 HDMI port, mini display port, Ethernet 2.5 port, mic jack, audio jack, Kingston lock. And friend, the 16-inch models EON16-S and NS-16 features Intel Core i9-3900H processor, 14-core processor, up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, 16-inch 240Hz display, up to 16TB storage, up to 64GB DDR5 memory, Wi-Fi 6 compatibility, support for up to 3 additional displays. And I/O port include two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type E port, Thunderbolt 4 port, HDMI port, mini display port, Ethernet 2.5 port, mic jack, audio jack, and Kingston lock. And friend, if I talk about the availability, the laptops are available to purchase now. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.